Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily change your business cash account in the Instagram app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes and also write your comment at the end of the video. So, let's go ahead and get started. And to do that, open up the Instagram app and then go to your profile. And then in the top right corner, click on those three bars. Then Settings and Constitutionality. And this is where you'll see the section for the professional bar. So, click here where the controls for business. And this is where you'll need to find Toggle Account Type. And next you'll see that you can either switch to business or personal account. You choose to switch to either a personal account, or you choose to switch to a business account, or you choose to switch to a personal account. And now the only thing you need to do is confirm your actions, and then your business Instagram account will immediately become a personal account. And this is the simple way you can change your business account to personal account in Instagram app. I really hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Please friends, write your comments, subscribe, and also be sure to put your likes. See you soon.